I'm going to show you how to reset your nervous system in 60 seconds or less. Cue intro. Hi, I'm Rich Taylor, host of The Stress-Free Diet. Very simple tips I'm going to give you today. 3 that you can do, and with a bonus, an herbal tea that you can drink to help you relax. So between the 3 techniques and the tea, this should help you relax and take you from the sympathetic, fight, flight, or freeze response to the parasympathetic, the rest, digest, and restore. And who doesn't want to be in that? So let's get started. But first, simple disclaimer. I am not a doctor or a medical professional, and you should see them before you make any changes to your healthcare regime. Plus, this is just for informational purposes only. So let's get into it. The first technique, these are all very simple and they don't cost anything, is you locate the top of your sternum about here and right about the nipple line here, and you go in between and you take 4 fingers on each hand and you get them right together here and you press in firmly. Take a deep breath in, exhale. Do it again. Deep breath in. Exhale. You can do that 2 or 3 times. Take a break and do it again. I already I'm starting to feel relaxed. It's amazing. It's that simple. I don't know how this works, but it does work. And I'm like Mr. Stress-Free Diet, and I've written 2 books on it, and I do a podcast, and boom, it really does help. You know, our bodies are like a computer in a way. We store stress just like a computer that you've been using all day long. You've been opening up all these different programs, maybe you had a few freezes, and you just need a reset to reboot the computer, and it just runs much better. We're a lot like that, with stress just sticking to us from the different things we experience: emails, angry people, traffic, jobs, family members, toxic friends, whatever those stress switches are. So all these tips can help relax that, transfer you from the sympathetic to the parasympathetic. So let's get to the next tip, okay? Next tip is even simpler. You just take your thumb and you squeeze the thumbnail with your other hand about 20 times. Okay, you just do this about 20 times, that's all. Then after that, you take your fingers and press on the side of the nail firmly and hold it. That's it. That's simple. Somehow this resets something and releases chemicals in the brain. Again, I don't know how these work, but they just work. I don't feel relaxed. And one way you know that you've triggered your vagus nerve to reset it is that sometimes you'll just yawn. That's a good sign, like I did. Sometimes even a sneeze or yawn can be a sign that you've reset your vagus nerve. Your vagus nerve runs from the top of your head all through your body. It's called the wanderer because it goes to all our organs. And this is what it's all about. Now, last tip is very simple too. It's got 4 parts. The first part is you take a deep breath in and hold it for 4 seconds. The second part is you exhale completely out, everything out of your lungs. The third part is you press your hands together like this, like you're praying. And the fourth part is you hold that breath. You don't take any extra air, and you hold it as long as you can. Again, you shouldn't be driving or operating heavy machinery or doing anything serious. You should be sitting in a chair or in a bed when you're doing this, okay? And you press together firmly while you're not taking any air, and you hold it as long as you can. Now, it's like if you're swimming underwater and you need to take a breath. Well, obviously, if you're in the air, you can take a breath anytime you want, but if you're underwater, your body's saying, take a breath, take a breath. And it's kind of like that little bit of that stress actually causes your body to reset, okay? And so you hold this, pressing your hands together like you're praying, and when you finally can no longer hold your breath, then you take a breath of air. So let's do it, all right? First, deep breath in. Hold it at count of 4. Exhale all the way out. Hands together, like I'm praying, pressing together. Not taking any more breath in. Keep pressing. Hold that breath. Keep pressing. Hold that breath. Hard to talk like this. Now you take a breath. Whenever you're comfortable with doing what you did, that's fine as far as yours. Now I can normally hold my breath for like a minute, but I didn't want to do it for the sake of this recording. And the last tip is lemon balm tea. Lemon balm is a plant. We grow it in our herb garden. It's very easy. But this is the tea. And it says it calms the nervous system and supports digestion. I can tell you something. If you're feeling a little tense and a little bit of anxiety, and as us Italians call agita, 1 cup of this can make you really relax. And it even says on here, it says, this product may cause drowsiness. Exercise caution if you're driving or involved in activities requiring mental activities. And again, also says consult your healthcare practitioner. So it'll help you relax. So you can find this in a lot of health food stores. I'm sure you can find it online. And if I can, I'll put a link in the description below. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, check out stressfreediet.com for more information, or like, subscribe, or even leave us a comment to let us know how this helped you or not. Did this make you relax? So we want to help you, and thank you for taking time to watch this video. And as always, thanks for watching.